probably. Alright. What's good? Everybody. Live trading. Haven't even looked at the charts yet. So let's get into it. I've just pulled them up and looked at Forex Factory. So chilling, obviously. 4 hour. So we have a 4 hour SMT here. Now this is gonna be, so for the most part this is going to be my bias. Also, because we've been dumping. I don't really care too much. Like I said, we're not really. So we're kind of oversold, meaning it is. Okay, we're really not. You kind of are on the higher time frames, but this bullish SMT is what's. I like this bullish SMT. No. Oh yeah, this is good. So if we mark out this low, you can see we swept, then we made a lower low. I mean, honestly, boys, like, it's very unfortunate this happened pre-market, but this would have been like A plus. Yeah, I would have targeted this 1 hour for value gap that's about to get hit right now. And you can see we took it here first, and then we made a lower low, which is perfect. Could have entered off this 1 minute inversion right here. Entered here. Stops obviously at the low, and target the 1 hour for value gap. We're about to hit. But obviously, not gonna get that. So, like I said, bullish 4 hour SMT. I like this 1 hour. It's pretty fat. No diddy. Also, I'm literally wearing a puffer jacket. Not because it's cold outside, boys. Because my roommate makes this bitch so damn cold. And if I turn down the AC, he tweaks out at me. Or maybe I'm just, I don't even know. But, yeah. Alright. So, I like this. I like this consequent encroachment. Aligns pretty closely with, consequent encroachment. This 30-minute. I mean, those are really my targets, boys. Obviously, in an ideal, perfect situation, I would love market opens in 5 minutes. I'm very afraid we rip right here. Yeah, this would be my, yeah. So I'm very afraid we're going to rip straight to here. But, ideal situation here, go down a little bit and go back up, obviously. Honestly, just really not much. Once this day is over, we'll have a daily BPR right here, but obviously that don't really matter too much. Yeah, boys. It's just, I don't know. I do think. Yeah, I think that's. And if we do come down here, we would also make a SMT as well, because you can see ES is much, much closer to this low than NQ is. So if we come down here, did market just open? No, we have 3 minutes. Why did price just spaz? I'm probably still just gonna de-risk today. This is a solid dump. I mean, we do have these relative equal lows, but I would be surprised if we dump this hard before we make a retrace. I'm not gonna lie. it's just hard for me to believe that we would do that. Solid sell off. Market does open in 3 minutes, boys, but that's pretty much my analysis. I mean, there's not really too much you can do pre-market unless you have like a clear cut, like, oh, once this happens, I'm gonna take a banger. Which for me, I mean, I don't want to take a short today. That's just me. Yes, these lows are nice, but I feel like there's just no way we dump from all the way up here, all the way down here, without a retrace. I think we retrace first, and then if price wants to go lower, we can go lower. But I find it harder to believe for us to do that. So I personally won't be taking shorts today, but I just will be obviously trading with the market. That's what you got to do, boys. We'll see. I'm about to get my bags and stuff ready for class, I think. Actually, nah, but let's just hope I don't get butt fucked raped by the 1 minute candle again. Because for some reason that always happens to me. 1 minute candle comes out, boom. Oh, Sam just texted in the chat. He's bullish as well. Holy. Alright, market open. Don't be a Drake candle. Calm down. You can relax. You can do it. What is it even set at? 50 bucks? I'm not sure how much. Oh, please don't. Don't do it to me. I really want the 1 hour for value gap. I'm not gonna lie. We can mark out the 30 minute, but actually I would want the 30 minute. I want the 30 minute because I think we feel a consequential correction of the 1 hour, but we might not as well. And since the 30 minute is closer, if I want a better R, then I can definitely target 3. You know what I'm saying, boys? Bang! Let's go. Holy, this isn't a Drake candle. This is like a skinny black. This is like a skinny. I mean, it's a black candle, so I do have to say it's a black cock. It's like a skinny black piece of meat. No diddy though. So wanted to see an SMT up this low, but they have both been taken. So once again, patiently be waiting. I mean, now this is a solid sell-off. Whatever fair value, whatever inverse gets. I like these relative equal highs. All of these is 1, 2, 3. This would be a break even for sure. Definitely a point in reversal, and it closely aligns to this 1 hour for value gap. So you see, we have this 1 hour for value gap. Sorry, I don't really mark out everything. I just see it. So like, we have this 1 hour for value gap. Obviously, once again, a point in reversal, and we don't know what's gonna happen. So, break even at the point. Actually, yeah, I'd rather do break even at the 930 wick. So we'll do BE. Okay, and no SMT. It's looking like. Unless ES somehow holds this low. There's no way. Oh my god. There's no way ES doesn't take it. Yeah, okay. I didn't think so. I mean, I did think so. Sorry. I was going to say. Alright, yeah. It's looking like we're not going to trade, boys. I'm not going to lie to you. Because I'm not taking this trade unless... all this high time, this 3 minute gets invalidated. And then I would enter off a retrace like somewhere within here. Yeah, for about like this. So like I want to see this whole thing get invalidated, because at any point we could reverse. I mean, and this is just a strong sell-off, man. Just straight off the 1 minute candle, like this is just from the 1 minute candle. It just didn't. This is surprising, man. The market does surprising things, boys. Yeah, we have a 1 hour BPR here. Oops. Oh. If we reverse, I'd like a reversal from there. But I don't know. This is a. I mean, I'm not liking this as of right now, boys. Oh wait, we'll need to see if we still have this SMT. Okay, yeah, we do. It's looking like ES just wants it, man. So this line is just reminding me that if this low gets taken out, there is no more SMT. So that's why I have that line right there. So, I mean, yeah, we're gonna fill this 1 hour BPR before we do anything. But like I said, I personally, no great defender, whatever the hell. Yeah, I personally won't be taking anything until this 2 minute up here gets invalidated. And then I would want to see a retrace on a lower time frame. So trade is probably, oh, never mind. I would want the trade to look something, probably like that. So we'll see. It's not looking like we're gonna get it, but I mean, solid rejection from taking this low. But like I said, boys, I will be patiently waiting. I mean, you can do the 3 minute as well. I mean, either way, I'm waiting for the inverse. Like the whole, now this is another thing, boys. You can't, like, when you see this sell off, okay, actually this isn't a good example, but just like as a lesson, this is kind of better. But like when you see a sell off like this, and you just see multiple stacked fair value gaps, this isn't just the fair value gap or just this. It's realistically, this is your fair value gap. You would want to see all of this to get inversed. We're seeing good rejection out here, boys. Yeah, let's lock in. Let's tap in. Oh man, we almost just invalidated on that too. Holy 1 minute candle. Damn. Are you dead ass? Because we didn't invalidate here. No, I'm not going to get an entry. Man, that's so sad. We just hit break even. Holy fucking hell, boys. What the fuck is going on today? Someone definitely took this off this 1 minute inverse. Holy shit. This is insane, bro. I don't know what the hell's going on today. Oh, bearish SMT though. So they probably should get out of that mug if this does hold. Clearly ES hasn't taken out the low. Now obviously this is just awful RR, so I once again won't be taking a trade until I see a retrace. So if we retrace here, I'll still enter, but the likes of that are not looking good, boys. So man, that's really unfortunate. I wanted the higher time frame inversion, so and obviously we didn't invalidate with this 2 minute, so we'd have to wait for this 2 minute to close, and this 2 minute already has it set. Crazy, but I would want to put my stop loss underneath this just in case. I'm not gonna lie, so. Yeah, I'd have to see a solid retrace for me to enter. I'm not gonna lie, but it's looking like no trades, boys. Very unfortunate. What just happened? What even was that? Yeah, if we get it right there, I'd enter probably, but it's not looking like it. Yeah, I'd enter if we come back here. 1.4 isn't awful, but it's not looking like we're going to get it. Very unfortunate day today, boys. I'll probably still post this. Man, that's sad. As soon as ES, yeah, once ES takes out these highs, it's GG's. This is running to our take profit. If that SMT doesn't hold. So sad. So sad. Now, if we fill this, we could play a short, boys. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yes, we could. Now, I know we still have this bullish SMT, but, I mean, like I said, I would see no reason for us not to, like, come up here and then just dump. I really don't see. You know what I'm saying? So, if we would fill out, like I said, it would have to, I would want to see a fill all the way up here for me to take a short. I would want to see a fill, higher fill, respect consequent encroachment, maybe a rejection block. Yeah, this would also fill this 15-minute. I highly doubt we go fill this 15-minute for a long time. So yeah, there's my take profit one. Very unfortunate. I mean, maybe I should have taken it on this inverse because this was the only 1 minute for value gap, realistically. Because this really is really small. If I did take it, then she would have been there. Yeah, maybe I should have, but like I said, I would prefer to take the highest. So this is our manipulation leg. I prefer, personally, I prefer to take the inverse of the highest time frame from the manipulation leg. It's just obviously more confluence. This would have been a banger though. This first minute candle would have brought you out BE immediately. I probably would have put my stop at the right. Yeah, probably would have put my stop right there. So unfortunate, boys, but yeah. So this was the trade idea I wanted. Obviously, we are not going to get it. So now, I mean, I probably want to see market show me shorts. If we are going to come down here, I want to see us respect this. Now, if we do come down all the way over here, why would I not want to take a long back? Because we did fill the 1 hour for value gap just a tad. We could just be respecting it just off the wick. But I really don't. Not this 1 hour for value gap. Sorry, we have this one as well. This one right here that we've blown past. We could just, you know what I'm saying? But I don't see that happening. And I would prefer, I would want to see us come up here, higher high. Here, I'll draw out everything I want to see I need to put this on my thing, man. I use it too much not to not have it there. Okay. Come up here. Hit CE. Come down. Oh, sorry. Not hit CE. I want to see your CE get respected. So, come up here. So, we tap into CE. Respect it. High or high here. Okay. And then just dump. And this is our manipulation leg that took out this higher high. I want to see an inverse here. And then I would enter here. Oh, and this is an SMT. So we'll see. Hopefully we get it. Oh, and there is my take profit. Like I said, boys, there's just no way we fill this 1 hour and we don't fill the 30-minute. So, like I said, take profit would have been the 30-minute. I mean, and not realizing it, I mean, but still, this is a fair value. I do prefer to take it on the higher time frame. Obviously, we don't get the higher time frame here. Clearly, we get the higher time frame. Unfortunately, all the way up here. And this is just not good enough RR, and I don't want to extend my take profits to something that I'm not really sure if we would fill or not. So maybe I should have taken off this 1 minute inverse, because this is a hell of a strong candle, but it doesn't really matter, boys. Let's see. So, like I said, we have hit consequent encouragement. About to. So I want to see higher. We don't have to just take CE, come down a little bit, higher high, take CE again. We most likely. So we have it's more on the 3 minute, but these swing highs on the 3 minute is an SMT. These right here is what I'm talking about. So alright, so we've taken CE now. Now I would want to see boom boom. An SMT off the higher high getting taken. And what would that look like? I would most likely I wouldn't target this low. I mean, I wouldn't target the BPR either. I'd probably just target a fair value gap. I'm not gonna lie to you. It would probably be, it'd probably be this 5 minute, this unfilled 5 minute. Okay, so we are ripping a little bit, which is still fine. We might want this. So no more SMT. Now, if we do come up all the way over here, holy SMT max, and that would be crazy. Well, I mean, at least this is when it's like, this is just one of those days, boys, where it's like you didn't take a trade, but like, damn, your bias is always right. You know what I'm saying? So that's not that deep. Honestly, I'm not even sure if I would want to even take a short now based off just this. Like this leg is just devious. And standard deviation of 2 and 2.5. Yeah, so we might come up here. But who knows? Like I said, I want to see boom, boom, boom. So come down here and then make a higher high. Alrighty. This is kind of what I wanted to see. It's more clear on the 30 second, which is kind of unfortunate. I would have wanted to see it on the 2 minute or 1 minute, which is why I don't know if I like it. I mean, clearly, on the 2 minute, nothing happened. On the 3 minute, nothing happened. But, like, on the 30 second, we got what we wanted. On the 1 minute, I mean, kind of. Not really. But, I don't know. Based off the standard deviation lining up with these highs, and probably wanting to make a bearish SMT here, we still do have the higher time frame SMT, but we have made a solid push up. This is just so unfortunate, boys. Like, that's just so unfortunate. You know when y'all, like, don't, I mean, and I didn't even take a loss today. I just didn't take a trade. But, like, you know when y'all you go on Instagram, it's just like, how I made $75 million today trading the S&P 500. And then it'll just be like, if you guys did not take this trade today, you guys are fucked. You guys will never make it as day traders ever, 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 ever if you did not take this trade today. You know what I'm talking about? It's funny. It's funny though. I ain't gonna lie. If you guys did not take this trade today, genuinely, what the fuck are you doing? You gotta love day trading talk. Oh. Might just hop off, boys. I might just yeah. I mean, this is this 1 minute inverse. I mean, maybe there are definitely people who took this 1 minute inverse, but like I said, I mean, it's just what I'm sticking with. Now, we didn't get a low time frame SMT. I know people are going to be tweaking out about me and be like, we didn't have a low time frame SMT, so like, why? This high time frame SMT is very strong, very clear. First, second, we're clearly bullish, boys. I told y'all market open right here that I wanted to see us take out these lows and then go up higher and hopefully make an SMT off of them, which we didn't. But I don't care because we still held the high time frame SMT. As long as we had the high time frame SMT, we had these low time frame sweeps. If we filled this 1 hour BPR, this would have been much, much nicer. And if we did come down all the way over here, probably would have gotten an entry. And like I said, there are definitely people who did take like just this 1 minute inverse, but I don't trade like that. There's no way. I just wouldn't have taken it, but couldn't. Yeah, I mean, it's a clean trade, boys, but like I said, I just can't. You know, you got to stick to your model. And the highest time frame fair value gap was on the 2 minute, unfortunately. Now, there is a confluence stating that if we do close above consequent encroachment of a fair value gap, we are more likely to push up. So you can see here, we got a close above consequent encroachment of the 2 minute, right? So, I mean, you could have taken it off of that, but like I said, I wanted the inverse. Unfortunate. Unfortunate. I've taken one trade this week, boys, and it's been break even. But I've got some good news. Government shutdowns. The government is not shut down anymore. So PA probably will improve. PA hasn't even been awful, but PA probably will improve. And PA will probably improve. And shit, what was I gonna say? Yeah, so there's like more trades. I am probably gonna end this though, because I mean now it's just a waiting game. Now I'm waiting for NQ to take out these highs, and if we do get a reversal, so if it's gonna happen or not. Bro, why does it keep doing that to me? But yeah, so just I shall be patiently waiting. Like I said, I don't want to see the 2 to 2.5 from, oops. So, like I said, clearly, boys, from market open, I said I wanted to see us dump down here, make a manipulation leg, and come up. So, this is our manipulation leg. Yeah, so the 2 to 2.5 is what I've marked out these highs. So, I don't see us coming up all the way over here. I really don't. So, just so y'all know, if I do end up taking a trade, it will be a short. I don't think I want to take a long, but it would have to. I'd want to see us take out these highs. Yeah, I can just explain it. Boom, 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 boom. So, highs taken, higher high, inverse on this manipulation leg, and I would target an imbalance that was created from this rip. So, yeah. Now if I do take the trade, I'll start filming again. I'll probably take it and then explain while I'm in the trade. But for now, there is no guarantee I do take the trade. Probably less of a guarantee, or I mean, it doesn't matter. So, yeah, I'm gonna end it here, and if I do take a trade, like I said, I will start filming again and add it on here. So, yeah, hope this helps y'all. Very unfortunate day. I mean, clear, pretty. I mean, obviously we were spot on with everything we said. Wanted to see these lows taken. Bang, bang. Just unfortunate that this. But, yeah, hope this helps y'all, boys. And catch y'all. Peace.